So this one we are going to get. Okay, now we are still making rings of 5 beads. So it's rings of 5 beads that's going to give you that ball we are talking about. So we are taking our right line, passing it through the right bead, the bead following the line directly, pass it through. Then we have 3 beads. You pick the next 3 beads and pass them through the line. Okay. Then we are going to cross with the right line. This. Then you pull. You see our shape is forming. You can see the shape, shape forming. Okay. So still maintain your lines. Our next beads are 3. So once the next beads are 3, and already the line is in 1 bead, we will only pass through, we will pass the right line through the next bead, this one, okay, making 2. So when you add this, you are getting 5. So here is it. So we add our next 3 beads on the left line. You can always allow the right line to rest so that it doesn't confuse you. Okay, so we are passing this through here. This is the left line. So at this juncture, we want to we can fix our keychain. Okay, we can fix our keychain. So after fixing, you also allow the line to rest. Then you pick your right line and pass it through the next bead, and then pull from the keychain. Okay, so this is what you get. Now remember, we are making rings of 5. Now we have two beads here. What do? And we already have our line in 1 bead, so that means we are going to pass through 2 beads. Okay, so that when we add these beads, we are going to get ring of 5. So we are passing through the next 2 beads. So in all, we now have 3 beads. So we are going to add our 2 beads because the line was already in 1, so we have to pass through 2 beads. That's why you need to arrange your beads in this manner so that you know the number of beads you have to pass through before you add the other beads. So we pass through 2 beads in addition to this one, making 3. So we are picking out 2 beads to pass through the left line. So when that is done, we are going to pick our right line and pass it through the last bead, this one, and then pull. So you can see that we already have our calabash shape. This is the first half. So now what we have here are 3 beads, and we already have our line in 1 bead. So meaning we are going to pass through 1 bead so that when we add, making 2 beads, when we add our 3, we'll get ring of what? 5.